If you encounter model misalignment, movement, or unusual noises during printing, it may be due to insufficient lubrication of the machine. We need to perform regular lubrication maintenance every 300 hours. Take out the lubricant provided with the machine. Raise the Z-axis by either clicking on the screen or manually pulling the belt to lift the Z-axis. Apply a small amount of lubricant in the middle of the two Z-axis lead screws. Move the Z-axis belt to ensure the lubricant spreads evenly across the lead screws. Apply lubricant to the X-axis guide rail. Move the extruder head left and right to distribute the lubricant evenly along the guide rail. Apply lubricant to the two Y-axis guide rails. Move the hotbed back and forth to evenly spread the lubricant on the guide rails. The area under the hotbed tends to accumulate dust and debris. We can clean it regularly. Unscrew and remove the metal cover at the back end of the guide rail. Use a tissue or a small brush to clean out the debris. You can use tweezers to remove debris stuck in the rollers. Once finished, reattach the metal cover.